Unlock the latch and pull out the waste bin. Remove the lid to take out all accessories. Install the trash bag in the waste bin, ensuring it is flat at the bottom. Install the lid. Put the N50 in and press firmly to secure it. Install the waste bin back and lock the latch. Insert the adapter into the main unit and plug it in. Place the device on a firm, level surface, keeping a 5 to 10 centimeters distance from the wall. Press the menu button to switch to maintenance mode. Press the OK button to execute this function, and the cylinder begins to rotate. When the cylinder stops with its opening facing upward, pour in the cat litter. Press the menu button to switch to level cat litter. Then press the OK button, and the device will automatically level cat litter. Open the PETKIT app, and click Add in the top right corner. Choose PETKIT PURA Max 2 Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Enter a valid Wi-Fi and password. Wait for the connection until the binding is successful. Customize the device name. Please read the instructions carefully, and click Start Using. Click Clean Now to clean the cat litter. Remove the back cover. Adjust the stick to a vertical position. Insert the stick into the bottle and tighten the bottle. Put the bottle into the air purifier. Install the 4 batteries. After installation, the air purifier will turn on automatically. Install the back cover. Insert the hanger into the slots. Press firmly to secure it. Remove the side cover. Align the hanger with the buckle. And slide it down to install the air purifier on the side cover. Install the side cover back. Please ensure the installation is in place. Click Associate with Air Purifier on the home page of the cat litter box. Bind the air purifier according to the guide. After binding, customize the name. Associate it with the cat litter box.